Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Here, design. Special features. Tuners. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Wall mountable. USB port. Part 2. Fixer. Display technology. Panel type. Size. Refresh rate. Resolution. Video processor. Number of HDMI. HFR. FreeSync and G-Sync. Filmmaker mode. High gig. HDR formats. Part 3. Smart TV and apps. TV platform. Version at launch. OS updates. AirPlay 2. Amazon Prime Video. Browser. Part 4. Audio. Speakers. Voice assistance. HDMI ARC and HDMI ERC. Dolby Audio. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.